Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Tomcat token. Ticker symbol is Lewis. Now this is a fairly new token here that's getting a couple brand new central exchange listings on some very big central exchanges. We're going to go over the Tomcat token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Tomcat token. So you can find them on SolScan. It says here that the price for this token is around a penny today. Market cap is a little bit over $10.8 million. Current supply, 999,972,084 tokens. 6 decimal places. Name of the token, Tomcat. Ticker symbol is Lewis. And it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting April 12th, tomorrow at 8 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search LUIS, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So if you want to see how the token is doing, you could always check out charts on Bird Eye. They have it on Dex Screener, on Dex Tools. Now, I just noticed this token is actually trending #1 right now on Dex Tools, doing very well. You can find this token also on Raydium, Jupiter. It's getting a brand new central exchange listing on Bitmart. So there's many places to get this token, many different options. And they have 4,670 holders so far. They have $245,000 in liquidity on Raydium. I was just looking at Dex Screener here, and they actually say there is 99.99% of the total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see that they have that as well. And yeah, so on Dex Screener, also you can find their websites, Twitter, Telegram. They might have a quick audit here that we could check out here. So yeah, so on Dex Tools, you could find a quick audit by Quick Intel Security. It says contract is verified, no honeypot, and then it also says no other risks. So good check marks on there. Now keep in mind, it's just a quick audit. It's not a full audit. So you should always look out for KYCs, full audits, all that type of stuff. But I don't see any warnings or anything. Now, 24-hour trading volume today is $2.74 million. Looks like this token is also listed on CoinGecko. You can find it on there as well. If you want to follow their Twitter, I'm going to put it right up on the screen right here at TomcatLewis2. 3,146 followers. You can see they're followed by Mexc Global and Bitmart, and you'll find their announcements for these listings in some of their most recent tweets there on their Twitter. And you'll also see that there is a link to their webpage right here on this Twitter, tomcatlewis.xyz. Brand new project, just joined Twitter in April 2024, 3,146 followers, blue verified checkmark, 266 tweets already, and you can see that they have their contract address right on this Twitter right here, if you need to find that as well. And prior to the Mexc global listing, they are doing a Kickstarter event, and you can get involved with that if you like. And they have a Telegram also at Tungcat Lewis that has 973 subscribers on there. So if you go over to their webpage, tungcatlewis.xyz, there's links to the chart, Raydium partners, info, of course, memes, pictures of Tungcats or Lewis. Then they have links to charts, contact emails on there. So it says, what is Lewis? Tungcat Lewis is nothing but a cute kitten in a, it says, skincare session with his tongue out on the Solana blockchain. Oh, so he's like getting a, he's like at a spa or something. He's doing a spa session at home. So it also says exchanges, so Mexc Global, Bitmart, Jupiter, and OKX wallet. Now, they started with a supply of 1 billion tokens, and it's a deflationary token, LP locked and burned. Tons of partners like Birdeye, Gotbit, Hedge Fund, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. They have an embedded chart right on their webpage as well. And big legal disclaimer, of course, talking about Lewis is a meme coin for fun with no value or profit expectations. So definitely always review all the warnings there. And this token in the past 7 days is up 20.97%. But it's actually down 3% in the past 24 hours, which is actually not a lot for crypto. That might be a lot for the stock market. But as far as these Solana meme tokens go, being down or up 3% is not a lot. Now, they have a community trust score of 89.1% out of 46 votes on DEX tools. And they have a DEX score of 99 out of 99. So if you want to check out the Kickstarter event, basically you vote with Mexc tokens, or MX tokens, which is Mexc's token. And there's a reward pool of 30,000 USDT, which is equivalent to 2 million Lewis tokens. And you can find that on Mexc's Twitter at Mexc_official. And yeah, so if you can get involved with the Kickstarter event, and then this token will be listed shortly after that. April 12th, 8 o'clock UTC time. So check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.